What are you doing, Waiheke, looking at the amazing view down Onitangi from Onitangi Reserve? Anyway, Dan from FullTilt. I thought I'd get in touch with you and let you know a little bit of what we're doing for our customers at the moment. Now, sometimes when people go with the big ISPs, the big companies, they have troubles getting the internet set up. Maybe there's problems, you need to get permission from your landlord, or it's down a right-of-way, or they want you to dig your own trench, or whatever. There can be all sorts of problems getting internet set up quickly. So with FullTilt, we've developed our own network. So we've got our network all the way from Oniroa down to Onitangi, and a lot of places in between, and also all the way down to Oropu. So we're building our network out, and we're able to connect you the same day or the next day. So our record is actually about 3 hours from one of our customers placing their order until having internet and being able to watch those cat videos. So if you're interested in getting internet fast, fill in the form down below. We'll be in touch and let you know what all your options are. And if you need internet fast, give FullTilt a call. Hey, you have a wonderful day. Over and out.